create a heat map using VBA. So there are some color indexes which we will use to create a heat map. I have just pasted one screenshot of these color indexes here. So using the numbers of these color indexes, we will prepare a heat map. I have created a small example here. We have 10 managers here, and these are the SLAs which they have given throughout the year from Jan to December. Now, I have one situation here. If any manager has, given an SLA greater than or equal to 85%, I will have to show it in light purple color. If the values are greater than or equal to 76 or less than 85%, then this should be highlighted in light blue color. And lastly, if it is less than 76%, then we will use light pink color. So let me just copy these three color indexes. So 37 is for light blue. So let me write it here. So the color index will be 37. Then light pink. So I will go there and copy 38. 38 and 39. So this is 38 and light purple is 39. So this is for our convenience, guys. We have written down these color indexes here. Now I will start writing the code in order to get the conditional formatting applied using VBA. So first of all, I will go to developer tab and I will go to Visual Basic. And in Visual Basic, I will insert one module and I will be writing the code here. So I am saying of create heat map. So guys, I will be declaring some of the variable. So first of all, I'm saying bin ws as worksheet, in my range as range. I will be creating a dynamic range so that my values will get dynamic. No matter if today I have 10 managers here, if tomorrow, if the manager, the count of manager gets increased, so it will work dynamically. So I will be creating a dynamic range here. Then I'm saying dim e cell means each cell as range. Now guys, I am defining this SLA sheet, so I will be using this set keyword here. Set ws as equals to sheet SLA. Set my range. But guys, before I create a dynamic range, I will require one last row here. So I'm saying last row equals to wss dot cells dot count comma my data is there on is getting started from column E. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this is fifth column. So I will be using this column here. So I'm saying 5 dot end excel up dot row. Now I will create my dynamic range. So I am saying wss dot range cells. So guys, So it is getting started from row number 7 because 66 is falling on row number 7. So I am saying row index is 7 and column index is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth. Then else. So this will be changed to last row, guys. And column index number, because since there are 12 months in a year, so it will never get increased. So I can take my last column as 16. So in place of 5 I will be using 16. So this is my dynamic range. Now guys, I will run one for each loop here. So I'm saying for each E cell in my range. Now I will apply my condition. So I'm saying if E cell dot value is greater than or equal to 85%, means 0.85, 0.85 we can write. Then what should happen? Then I'm saying interior dot color index equals to light purple. So the color index for light purple is 39. So I will be using 39. Then it will be changed to else if, and if it is greater than or equal to 76 as per the requirement, and if this is less than 0.85, then it will be the color index will be changed to light blue, that is 37. Else it will be changed to 38. Now I will close the if statement first of all, and then my loop. Guys, I will be trying it one by one. Let's see if it's working. I will be using the F8 key to check it one by one. So as per the first value which is given here, it is falling in this category. So light pink color should be highlighted here. So it is pink. Then next value is 89. So purple. So if I will run this code all together in one time, I have got my heat map, very beautiful heat map ready. So guys, you can have a look at this data, but this is a dynamic. I will show you. Let me just reset this once again. So no fill, and let me remove all the values, and then let me add some more managers here. So 10, then this is 11, 12, 13, 14, and lastly 15. Now let me check if, and these are the SLAs they have given through the year. So let's say they have given the least value as 35 and the most value as 99. according to the requirement. If I will the data, close this. If I go view macros, and if I run this, you can see it has given me the conditional formatting updated till manager number 15th. So this is a dynamic code, guys, and if your values are getting changed, it will work accordingly. So this is the code, and this is a very small. So for your convenience, I am writing here getting dynamic range. Here in this section, I have created a dynamic range. So whenever you will be creating a range using this logic, you can create a dynamic range, guys. Okay, and you will require one last. Always remember this, and then you can run your for each loop, whatever, wherever the dynamic range is concerned, then you can use this. Okay, so guys, for your convenience, and if you download this workbook in order to get the code, I will give you a link in the description so that you could download this and understand the logic which I have written here. So guys, I this is all about this video, and hope you have found something useful in this video. And if you have liked this video, kindly like, subscribe and share with friends. And if you are new to my channel, it is my heartiest request you subscribe and support, guys.